Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, your vanilla gift card number and the 4-digit PIN, and that your Apple ID country matches the card region. Open the App Store on iPhone, iPad, or Mac and sign in with the Apple ID you intend to fund. Once signed in, tap or click your profile avatar, then choose Redeem Gift Card or Code. This is the first actionable move because region mismatch or wrong account wastes time. Proceed only when those match. Now you enter the card details. Choose Redeem Gift Card or Code from the profile menu, then either use the camera to scan the printed redeem code or select Enter Code manually. Type the card number and PIN exactly as shown, making sure there are no spaces or extra characters. Mistakes cause rejection. Once entered, press Redeem. Apple will verify the card, add the balance to your Apple ID, and show the new balance, so watch for confirmation and any error messages that appear. Finish by confirming the updated Apple ID balance in your account and checking settings to ensure the balance is applied as the payment method. If you see an error, make sure the card was activated at purchase, the card region matches your Apple ID, and the card has sufficient funds. These are the most common issues. If problems persist, contact the vanilla card issuer to verify activation. Then contact Apple support with the exact error code. This two-step approach resolves both issuer and platform problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.